So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing Roblox crashing without error message problem in Roblox, when you opening the Roblox will automatically closes. So follow these steps. In these steps I will show you how to solve this problem in Roblox. So guys, watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So the quick fixes is: first, restart your PC. Simple but often fixes temporary crashes. Number 2, run Roblox as administrator. Right click Roblox, then run as administrator. Number 3, check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then avoid VPN while playing. Update everything. Number 4, update graphics driver. Update Nvidia or AMD or Intel graphics drivers from official sites. Number 5, update Windows settings, then Windows update, then check for updates. After this, reinstall Roblox properly. Number 6, delete Roblox cache. Press Windows plus R and then type this code: txt local app data slash Roblox, and then delete all files inside. Number 7, reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from settings, then apps, restart PC, install again from Roblox official website. I hope guys these steps helps you, and if you guys having any other problem in Roblox, comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.